G'day folks, just messing around today. Got a small canvas, painted it black. We've got some turquoise to finish it off, and we'll see what it looks like. So we'll get this thing swinging and see what pattern we can make today. let's see if I can get this paint to cooperate. Actually, I'll go this side. All right. Alright, so this is the gamble. Not sure how this colour is going to play with the hosing off process. There's a reason I usually use black or silver. It's because for some reason it just does this process better. A lot of the colours will coagulate into a pasty. We're going to see what happens. I'm just going to give it a little bit longer to go off, but really happy with the spiral. The trick is you got to get, when it's spinning around, you got to arc your swing slightly so it's like a oval instead of a full circle or just dead straight. And the other trick is to get the rotation at a point where it's nearly coming back upon itself for the next swing, but not quite. And you get this beautiful pattern forming. So I'm glad I've sussed out that part of the formula. I love these spirals. These are my favourite spirals by a country mile. Okay, enough gas bagging. Let's have a look. Ooh. We'll just leave it a little bit longer. So I hope you folks have been having fun. Oh, I also want to say thank you very much. Somehow I hit the 200 subscriber mark. So thanks everybody. You're all awesome sauce. And for those folks that want to come and say hi, I'm live streaming some games now. I won't be saving them to the channel. I'll just keep the videos to art exclusively, and I'll just live stream it. If you want to come and say hi, feel free to drop in. Everybody's welcome. At the moment we're playing some Generation Zero, which is a really cool, fun game. Alright. Well, here goes nothing.
ready as we'll ever be. Wop bop loop up, wop band, please work. Yes! That's freaking awesome. Happy spirals. Some water off anyway. A little bit. Wow, that's such a cool spiral. All right, let's give you awesome people a look. Boop. So, which side will we go on? Actually, we'll go on this side. I'm so confused. Here we go. That is freaking awesome. Oh, that came out so cool. Let's boop. Here's the outer edge. Just really cool. It looks really three-dimensional. I love that. Damn, that's cool. Oh, folks, if you haven't tried mucking around with a pendulum, even with some sand or something, just to make some different patterns, it's so much fun. Oh, I love this one. That spiral is just amazing. Wow. Uzumaki. A very cool one at that. So, I will say thank you very much for subbing and getting me to 200 subscribers. Freaking amazing. Never thought I'd hit 100, so thanks to each and every person that's done that. You're all awesome. Feel free to drop in, say good day during the gaming live streams, and I'll see you all next time.